Alright guys, previously we had this GM Ecotech valve cover that was just complete filth. We ended up cleaning out the surface, sanding the surface, making sure it is gonna be able to be painted, and we used the Rust-Oleum paint to give it a nice finish. So first we primed it with the Rust-Oleum, and then we actually ended up painting it with Rylon yellow paint. And I thought this was gonna be a perfect finish, a single stage paint right out of a can. But you know what? Once the paint laid down, once it dried out, the paint actually became dull and lost its shine. So this is where this video will start. We painted this not too long ago, but we did not use a clear coat. This was actually just a Krylon spray from the can. Alright guys, well, it's time to paint that valve cover. We already used the wax and grease remover. We are not going to scuff it, so I'm just curious how this will adhere. We got some clear coat right over here, guys. We are using the Upol 2K clear coat system, 4:1 mixing ratio, Harbor Freights gun. We are spraying this about 35 to 40 pounds. It's interesting though, you can see that the clear coat is a little bit yellowish, but once it lays down, it seems like it lays down perfect and clear. So let's gear up, let's put all our protective equipment on, and let's see how this adheres. So many toxins in them. We don't want to be breathing this, so we're gonna have to put on our mask, helmet, everything, gloves, protection.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams